Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate it. So I thought I would just share with you guys my July empties. It's not a lot, which is great, but I thought I would just go ahead and share with you guys. I know that I was doing them every 2 months. It just gets a little bit overwhelming to store them and then to show you guys. So I thought, why not just go ahead and do them once a month, which is what I'm going to go ahead and do. So hopefully you guys do not mind. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get started. I don't know what's going on with my lighting on this side. First thing is this totally awesome fabric fresh softener from Fresh Lavender Fields. This is from the Dollar Tree. I bought this when it was still $1. I've had it for that long. It's such a great product. It works just as great as Febreze in my own personal opinion. For $1.25, I would definitely still repurchase this because it's great. Finish that up finally. This was my daughter's and son's, both of these products. This is the Herbal Essence Sulfate-Free Eucalyptus Potent Aloe Scalp Balance Shampoo right here. They enjoyed this, but I don't think I'll repurchase this for them. They love the Garnier, so there's that. This is the Walmart brand Equate Beauty compared to Garnier Fructis. Sleek and smooth conditioner for dry frizzy hair. And they did enjoy this. I constantly repurchase the Garnier, but I guess that the day that they got this, the other one was out. So we just tried this, and I think they did enjoy this one as well. They said it's just as good, but a lot cheaper. So we'll continue to repurchase that. These are Clorox wipes, disinfecting wipes. Definitely repurchasing those. Honest Multi-Surface Grapefruit Grove Cleanser. This is a great cleanser. This was has no chemicals, anything like that. It's definitely a good choice. I would definitely repurchase. These, I bought them from the website for very cheap. They're not expensive at all, like $3 or something. If I find them at Target or TJ Maxx, which is normally where I could find them as well, I would definitely repurchase. This is my Degree Ultra Clear deodorant. I love this. I constantly repurchase it. These two were my daughter's. The first one is the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier cream. She used all of it up. She did really enjoy this. She has more oily combo skin, so the gel creams are better for her. This was mine. I gave it to her because I'm dry and this wasn't moisturizing or hydrating enough for me. This I also gave her. This is a Super Hydrate e.l.f. Moisture gel with hydrating and squalene. And again, this was a gel formula. She finished all of it up. And I could not use it because like I said, I'm more dry, so I need more of like a creamy, milky moisturizer, if that makes sense. This was a toothpaste my husband and I finished, the Crest 3D White. This is from the Dollar Tree right there. I know it's backwards, but we enjoyed that. We constantly repurchase. This was a sample that I got from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Wonder Glow primer, I believe. Right there. That is all used up, and there's the primer that it is. It was nice. I don't know that I would purchase it. This was, I think, my son's. This is the Burt's Bees Truly Glowing Gel Cream, another gel cream. This one was more of a milky consistency, but it still had the texture of a gel. I don't think that he really enjoyed it. He used it at 2 Members Mark wipes. You guys hear me talk about those all the time. Constantly repurchase. We love those in our household. These were mine. These are the fragrance-free cleansing wipes from Target, from the Up and Up brand. They come with 32. These are the feminine wipes. I did not enjoy these. They burned. They say they're fragrance-free, but they burned. And also they dried up quickly in the packaging, and I don't feel like they really did anything. I would not repurchase or recommend these. This was a mask that was given to me from my friend Carla, a PM mask. I really did enjoy this. Very nice, very hydrating. And I think my friend Caitlin might have sent me this mask, the Vitamask Electrolyte Watermelon. I really enjoyed this one, and the scent was so nice. And I have plenty more that they've sent me. I used 2 bath bombs or bath things. I used this Mom Balm. It was a bath bomb in white tea bath fizzer with the surprise. Right there, I really did like the scent and the feel of it. Very pretty. And the little gift inside was a, like, you know, the little packaging when you do those little machines and put a quarter and that pops out a toy. It had one of those, and it had a little charm that said I love you, which was super cute. I did use the June and Moon Lavender, Aloe, and Vitamin E Bubbling Bath Fizz. This was really, really nice. I do have another one, and I cannot wait to use it. This felt really, really good. And it does fizz up really nicely. My husband and I finished up another Crest 3D Stain Remover Toothpaste. Love that. This is my Lancome Advanced Genifique Concentrate. There is a little bit left in there, but I try to use it up. It's so old, and I think that it might have expired. I've had this since before I worked at Ulta, or when I worked at Ulta the first time, which was in 2018, I believe. And I tried using it as much as I can. There is a little bit, like I said, in there, just a tad. But I think it's just too much for my skin. I find that it kind of irritated down here and made this area just a lot worse. So I decided to go ahead and get rid of that. We used up 2 sunscreens. This one's from Banana Boat, 50 right there. We love that. And then the Neutrogena Beach Defense in 70. This was my daughter's Urban Therapy Twisted Sista 3-minute moisturizing mask. She didn't say if she liked that or not. I think she got this in like a Ipsy bag or something. So I don't know what she felt about that. This was my Age Rewind Eraser and Brightener. Right there. I finished that all up. Love when I finish up makeup. And then the last thing was my LMS Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. I really enjoyed this. I love the scent of it. It has like, I don't know, I can't, if you guys know the scent, let me know, because I don't know what the scent is, but I loved it and I would definitely repurchase it. But guys, that is everything that I used up for the month of July, me and my family. Really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely let me know if you have an Empties video. I would love to come over and watch it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, if you did enjoy these types of videos, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, of course, I would love you to subscribe. I'm working my way to my next goal, which is 1,000 subscribers. It's taking a lot longer, and that's okay. I've told myself that, and I have to continue to remind myself that it's not about the numbers, and it's just to enjoy. So I would definitely appreciate it if you're new, if you subscribe, support me. And if you're not new and you've been with me for some time, I definitely appreciate you watching my videos. It does mean a lot to me. Thank you guys again, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.